Hey everybody. After class this morning, I figured I'd go ahead and put together a couple of instructional videos that goes along with kind of the Photoshop activity that you're working on here for skill development number 2. The first step in this process, hopefully we've all kind of made it through the GIS steps in the process. Again, for those of you who aren't GIS users or come to us from outside of the Natural Resource Planning program, the layers that you'll need are up on D2L. You just need to download those and open them up here in Photoshop as we've done here. You'll see that we've got all 4 of the layers that we want kind of sitting here structured for us. And so first things first, we need to go ahead and get them all into the same working location instead of being 4 separate files. It helps that Photoshop, much like my Internet Explorer or Google Chrome or a lot of the other web browsers, allows us to grab and undock these files, and so you can just drag and drop them on top of one another. To be honest, I think it's actually faster, since they're all the exact same size, that we pick one that we're going to use as our base. And for me, I'm going to use my parcels layer as the base. And then we go ahead and drop in the other piece of information in on top of that. And so to get started with, I'm going to go ahead and go to the water bodies layer first. And I want to go ahead and select the entire thing. And the easiest way to do that is just use the Control key with the letter A on your menu, and you see that it brings up kind of this rotating marquee all the way around everything. I can then go ahead, I could go ahead and go up here to the Edit menu, and I could copy it. And then I can go to my parcels menu, I can go to edit, and then I can click paste. Right? And you see now over here in the layer menu that if I turn this off, you can see the parcels is below, the water bodies is now on top. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and grab the wetlands layer next. Again, the Control A. The fast way to do copy paste is Control C is your copy, Control V back in the parcels layer that I'm collecting these all in is my paste. And again, the last one here, Control A, Control C, back to where I'm gathering them all, Control V. At this point in time, I'd go ahead and close out the other documents, and I'd go ahead and save. So do a save as, and I want you to save this as a PSD file, and I'm just going to save this as skill development at O2 base map.